Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Steam unable to sync your file problem. So if you're facing this problem, the first thing you need to do is open up your drive. So I have my Steam saved on my C drive, but you need to know where you have saved your Steam file. But you can just do this, right click on Steam logo and click on open file location, and it's going to straight up take you to Steam's file location. Over here you need to find this folder called user data. If you see it, just delete it, alright? And once you delete the user data folder, it should be fixed. And if it's still not fixed, the next thing you can do is open up Steam. And once you open up Steam, what you can do is just click on where it says, Steam, and click on settings. And from settings over here, make sure you're on the library section. And from over here, click on automatic and make sure all of this is on over here, like this too. Make sure this too is on and it should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, the other thing you can do is just close your Steam and make sure that the antivirus software you have on your PC is disabled. So this is one of my antivirus over here, so I'm just going to quit it, which means I'm going to close it. Now once your antivirus is closed, your problem should be fixed. And if it's still not fixed, then just delete your Steam app and reinstall it again. It should be fixed. So these are the way on how you guys can fix this issue. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.